Welcome to the video for homework 4. I'm going to start out on number 11. So I have the limit as x goes to 5 pi over 6 of cosine x. We always want to start with direct substitution first. It's the most straightforward. So let's start with cosine of negative 5 pi over 6 and see if that gives us a value. So I'm going to use my unit circle. Negative 5 pi over 6 means backwards 5 pi over 6. So that would be the same as 12 minus 5, or 7 pi over 6. 7 pi over 6 has a cosine of negative root 3 over 2. So I found that using my unit circle. Negative 5 pi over 6. In 2 pi, we can also call 2 pi 12 pi over 6. So I said 12 pi minus 5 pi is 7 pi. Coterminal angles are very important for that. Alright, next up we have the limit as x goes to 0 of negative of this whole fraction, x squared minus 1 over x plus 1. Let's try direct substitution first. 0 squared minus 1 over 0 plus 1. Keeping that negative out front until the very end. 0 squared is 0. 0 minus 1 is negative 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. So now I have negative of negative 1. Two negatives will make that a positive 1. Let's take a look at number 13. Again, we're going to try direct substitution first. So I have 3 minus 6 on the numerator and 3 squared minus 18x plus 81. Oops, instead of an x there, I meant to put a 3. Sorry about that. So 3 minus 6 is negative 3. Now on the bottom I have 3 squared, which is 9. 18 times 3, that's going to be 30 and 24, so that's 54 plus 81. Now, common mistake. When we learn PEMDAS, we usually think of it going in order. But really, PEMDAS looks more like this. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction happen at the same time, moving left to right. And that's because any subtraction problem could be rewritten as an addition problem using negatives. So addition and subtraction happen at the same time, moving left to right. So 9 subtract 54 is going to be negative 45 plus 81 is going to be positive 46. 46 cannot be divided by 3, so that's as good as it gets. Alright, 14, last one for this video. Let's try direct substitution. So I have negative of the square root of negative 2 multiplied by negative 3 plus 1. Negative 2 times negative 3 equals positive 6. Plus 1 equals positive 7. And that's as good as it gets. Better to leave it as the negative square root of positive 7 rather than get some ugly decimal that doesn't mean as much to me. Alright, I hope this helped. Remember, you can go back, rewind, pause, do it as you need it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.